Every time a motorcycle pulls onto the road, there's freedom in the ride, but also real risk. Today, we're diving into motorcycle accidents in California, laws, safety, and claims. For riders, even a simple trip can turn serious in seconds. And when a crash happens, it doesn't just leave physical injuries. It can also bring legal stress and financial challenges. In this video, we'll talk about 3 big things: the reality of motorcycle accidents in California, common causes and risks to watch for, and what the legal side of a crash usually looks like. Let's start with the big picture. Motorcycle accidents in California are on the rise, and the numbers are eye-opening. In 2022 alone, more than 600 motorcyclists lost their lives in the state, which was an increase from the year before. That trend highlights just how exposed and vulnerable riders really are. Unlike drivers protected by a vehicle frame, motorcyclists only have their gear, like a helmet or protective clothing, standing between them and the impact. That lack of protection makes accidents here especially dangerous. Now, let's talk about why these crashes happen so often. The causes may sound familiar, but there's still some of the biggest risks out there. Unsafe lane changes, bad weather, poor road conditions, and distracted or intoxicated drivers are among the most common reasons accidents happen on California roads. Speeding plays a major role, too. What makes it worse is how unpredictable these risks can be. One moment, it's a blind spot mistake, the next, it's loose gravel in a curve. And for a motorcyclist, those split seconds can change everything. So what happens after a crash? Beyond the injuries and shock, there's usually a legal side that can feel complicated. California uses a comparative fault system, which means both parties can share responsibility. That can affect the outcome of a claim, including things like medical bills, lost income, and damage to the motorcycle itself. Because of that, documentation becomes critical. Things like medical records, police reports, photos from the scene, and communication with insurance companies. Having those details organized can make a huge difference in how a claim is handled. So to recap, motorcycle accidents in California are unfortunately increasing. They're often caused by things like driver negligence or road hazards, and the claims process depends heavily on liability and documentation. If you want to explore these topics in more detail, like helmet laws, lane splitting rules, or even wrongful death claims, you can find the full breakdown in our blog, linked below. At Farahi Law Firm, we understand how overwhelming a motorcycle crash can feel. From recovery to navigating insurance, you don't have to face it alone. Call us today for a free consultation. We're here to fight for California's riders.